me to plug you to the 5 best brightening body washes that you can start using now 2025 or in 2026. Remember that brightening, okay, does not mean bleaching. If you want to achieve this glow that you're seeing on your screen, you want your skin to pop, you want your skin to eat, you want your skin to clock it, then this is the video that you should watch. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and over here we talk about everything that has to do with we the ladies glowing up. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about brightening body washes that can help you to achieve that glow. I'm going to be giving you my top 5, okay, so that you can rush and get them before we enter 2026. Because like I used to say, this 2026, our skin is going to glow even more better and more brighter. Okay, so you kind of video you're interested to watch, remember to subscribe to this channel so that this will not be the last video that you're going to see from me. Okay, is that done? Please do that already. Thank you. So the very first brightening body wash I'm going to give to you in this video is the Vaseline Youthful Glow Brightening Body Wash. This particular one is my top, okay, it's on top of the list because it is very, very effective. I know you might not be getting the hype on social media, but allow me to plug you to the right one. This particular one contains 10 times niacinamide, which is the best ingredient they're going to be looking out for when it comes to achieving that even tone skin. Niacinamide is going to help to get rid of your dark spots on even skin tone and just give you a fresh looking skin. Your skin is going to be even, your skin is going to be same, okay? And there is no heck I'm talking about brightening up your skin with an uneven skin tone. It also contains glutathione, which would help to, you know, brighten up your skin and just give you a brighter looking skin. It contains retinol, pro-retinol, okay, that would help to turn over your cell, okay. It improves cell turnover so that you will not have dead skin cells living on the surface of your skin. If you have dead skin cells living on the surface of your skin, there is no how your skin will glow, because automatically your skin pores are clogged and the product is not even penetrating into your skin. So it helps to get rid of that and open up your skin pores and just give you a fresh looking skin. So the second brightening body wash I'm going to be telling you in this video is the Koji White brightening body wash. This is a rare gem in a little bottle, okay. This particular one contains Kojic Acid, which you know that is a powerhouse of, you know, brightening up your skin. If you know you want to brighten up your skin and your product does not contain Kojic Acid, what does your product actually contain? Because Kojic Acid will help to improve cell renewal, you know, turn over your cells and also give you that brighter looking skin that you're hoping to achieve. It targets dark spots, hyperpigmentation and discoloration, and this product is paired with hyaluronic acid. It also contains vitamin E, vitamin B5, and also flower extract that would help to just give you that soft skin that you're hoping to achieve at the end of using these products that we're talking about in this video. The third brightening body wash that I'm going to recommend for you in this video is the Skin by Zaron Vitamin C Body Wash. This one is for my babes that want to achieve a smooth and silky looking skin. You know, this kind of skin that you see on the television when people are doing adverts, okay? This is the one they're going to achieve while using this. This particular one contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that would help to give you a brighter looking skin. There is no how you are going to be using any product that is infused with vitamin C and you're using them the correct way, which I'm going to tell you at the end of the video, and you're not going to achieve a brighter looking skin. Like, these two are not usually in one sentence. It also contains glycolic acid, which would help to exfoliate your skin gently, and it also contains castor oil, which would help to, you know, so that your skin will not be looking too dry. You know that there are some soaps you would use or body washes you will use, even before you are done from the shower, your skin is looking very dry. Do you understand? But this particular body wash does not leave your skin dry. The fourth body wash that can help to brighten up your skin is the color one from Olay. This is the Olay Vitamin C Body Wash, and the particular body wash contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin B3, and let me tell you, this particular body wash helps to hydrate your skin. It is super moisturizing. It is going to feel as if you're applying a body lotion on your body when you're using particular body wash. It is super moisturizing, and it also helps to brighten up your skin. They said on the body that it promises to give you a visibly brighter skin in 14 days, and let me tell you, they're not kidding, okay? It works, okay? Particular body wash is very good. especially if you know that you want to pamper your skin and you also want to glow up. Okay, the fifth and the final body wash that would help to brighten up your skin this year and next year is the Advanced Korea Bright and Clear Body Wash. Okay, Advanced Korea have been making waves on the internet, on the social media. You guys have been seeing their product. It is very, very effective. It contains licorice extract that would help to get rid of dark spots, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation. It also contains papaya extract. It contains vitamin C, and all these extracts and ingredients that it contains would help to brighten up your skin the right way. It works. When I mean a product works, it works. If you want to brighten up your skin, you can as well lay your hand on this products that I'm talking about. So now when it comes to how you're going to use this product, it's going to be very, very effective on your skin, because if you don't use them the right way, I bet you're not going to see good result. First thing I'm going to be telling you is you're going to be needing a pre-cleansing soap. Okay, and for that you can lay your hand on Dove. This is the Dove pampering soap, this is the Dove pink soap, and this is Cushion baby soap. Anyone that you can lay your hands on is fine. This one is the most affordable in case you're on a tight budget. Let me tell you the secret. If you are looking for what to brighten up your skin and you want those products to penetrate into your skin, which is actually the right way that your products are going to start working for you, you are going to be doing that on a clean skin. And for you to have a clean skin, you're going to pre-cleanse your skin. Okay, have a clean skin. That is your first wash in the shower. You're going to have that first wash using a gentle, mild soap. And this is the ones I'm recommending for you. They are affordable and they're very, 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 very effective. And once you are done pre-cleansing, then you can go ahead to use these body washes that I recommended in this video. Secondly, please do not use the body washes that I recommended in the morning. Use them in the night and you're going to be getting the results. Okay, these are the ways that you're going to achieve that brighter and glowy looking skin this year naturally without breaking the bank. If you have watched particular points of the video and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please remember to subscribe, like, share, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. And also remember to leave a comment in the comment section telling me any of these body washes that you have tried or the ones that you're hoping to try. And until next time, I love, stay glowy and bye.